Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're in the home, and we're here to show you what air conditioners do and how they work. Rest assured, we will also provide you with the best examples of products you can consider buying at the end of this informational video. As always, all the links for the products we mention are in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the home, especially if you are interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Commonly known as AC or aircon, air conditioners are essential in keeping your home comfortable, especially during the scorching hot and humid seasons. Apart from making rooms cooler, these units can also provide other benefits to you. With an air conditioner, you'll be less likely to have an asthma attack or an allergic reaction since it removes excess moisture, allergens, and dust particles. Apart from that, if you're living in a hot, humid area, you may be prone to dehydration and heat stroke. But thanks to the cooling effect of air conditioners, your body is exposed to less heat, lessening sweat production and stress, which reduces your risk to the said conditions. If you also work at home, it's best to maintain your home temperatures at comfortable levels to help boost your productivity and avoid exhaustion. While these aren't the only pros of having an AC at home, these are some of the best ones they can offer. You might be wondering how their units work, so let's get to know more about its cooling process in detail. Air conditioning units mainly work by removing warm, moist air from your room and replacing it with cooler air, but there are many more things involved in this cycle. Air conditioners are mainly composed of three parts: an evaporator, compressor, and condenser. These components make use of a refrigerant fluid that continuously flows through the unit's coils. It also has a low boiling heat which allows to quickly move heat from one place to another, reducing the temperature in a room or space. The refrigerant fluid is regulated by an expansion valve that constantly controls the fluid cycle within the evaporator to condenser coils. The air conditioning process starts when the warm air is drawn into the air conditioning unit. It first flows into the low-pressure, cold evaporated coil. The refrigerant fluid located inside the cool coils absorbs the heat and moist from the air, which causes it to evaporate into warm gas. It then enters the unit's compressor, where it is subjected to high pressure to convert it back into its liquid state. The refrigerant proceeds to the hot condenser oil, where its excess heat is pumped out of the unit by its outdoor fan, leaving the cool fluid inside the coil. The refrigerant moves back to the evaporator, and the colder air produced is dispersed out of the unit into the room, thus reducing the temperature and humidity levels, making the air chill and dry. The refrigerant is then recirculated, and the cycle continues until the air conditioning unit is turned off. Now that you know how an air conditioner works and you're considering investing one for your home, you may find it challenging to select what's suitable for you. But don't worry, the In the Home team has gathered the best products for your convenience to help you find what's right for your needs. Here are our top picks for the best air conditioners in the market today. Our first recommendation is the GE Profile 2-in-1 Conditioner and Dehumidifier Energy 8100 BTU. With a cooling capacity of 8100 BTUs, this air conditioner from GE works best in small to medium rooms that measure up to 350 square feet. It is also equipped with a built-in dehumidifier that controls humidity levels in a room to improve its air quality. While it comes with powerful features, our team would like to highlight that this air conditioning unit operates quietly than an average AC. It also has a modern design with a user-friendly touch-sensitive controls and LED light indicators, plus it's integrated with Smart Home and Apple HomeKit features. With these, you can conveniently use voice commands to adjust your settings or install the Smart HQ mobile app to control, monitor, and manage the unit's schedule remotely. The GE Profile Air 2-in-1 Conditioner and Dehumidifier comes with 3 cooling and 3 fan speed options, which you can freely adjust based on your preferences. It also has an energy-saving feature that allows you to save on consumption. Not to mention, the product is Energy Star certified, assuring you that it is energy efficient. The In the Home team found the GE Profile 2-in-1 Conditioner and Dehumidifier to be the quietest air conditioning unit out of all the products we've tested. For that, we highly recommend this in noise-sensitive rooms at home, such as bedrooms and offices. Our second recommendation is the Soleus Air Exclusive Energy Star Over-the-Window Sill Air Conditioner 6000 BTU. Featuring a unique over-the-window sill design, this air conditioner from Soleus Air is easier, safer, and more convenient to install than most products in the market. It doesn't need any wall mounting brackets, and since it saddles over a windowsill, it won't take up much of your window space. All you have to do is slip it over a window. Available in 4 different versions, the 6000 cooling BTU version can cool rooms of up to 275 square feet, while the 8000 BTU version works efficiently for those up to 275 square feet. You may also opt for a Wi-Fi enabled model for a better experience. Like most air conditioning units, this product comes with its own remote control. However, what makes it unique is its My Temp remote feature, which triggers the unit to direct its air towards the exact location of its remote control in the room. Some of the other features include a 24-hour timer, energy saver mode, and sleep mode. If you prefer purchasing the Wi-Fi enabled model, you'll be able to control your air conditioning unit conveniently by connecting it to your Alexa Alexa or Google Home device. The In the Home team highly suggests the Soleus Air Saddle air conditioner if you opt for a product that's quick and easy to install. The third product on our list is the BLACK+DECKER portable air conditioner with remote control 5500 BTU. With its portable and compact look, this 5500 BTU air conditioning unit from BLACK+DECKER can cool down and dehumidify small rooms of up to 250 square feet. It's equipped with heavy-duty wheels that allow you to transfer the unit conveniently from one room to another, and an exhaust hose placed through any window for easy drainage. It also comes with a remote control that allows you to select between modes according to your needs, and you may also adjust the settings through the unit's digital touch display. Additionally, our team finds it worthy to note that it comes with a sleep mode that allows it to work at lower noise levels, making this excellent for bedrooms and even office rooms. The BLACK+DECKER portable air conditioner works best with double hung or sliding windows. It is easy to use and clean, plus it comes with 3 different ventilation modes to match your preferences. Although it consumes a bit of floor space, this air conditioning unit is sleek and it can blend harmoniously with any furniture. The In the Home team finds the BLACK+DECKER portable air conditioner excellent for smaller rooms, dorms, and garages. However, note that it is also available in different versions with higher cooling capacities. If you prefer our portable air conditioning unit, we highly recommend this product. The fourth recommendation on our list is the FRIGIDAIRE 8000 BTU Slider Casement Window Air Conditioner. Designed explicitly for horizontal sliding and casement windows, this air conditioning unit from FRIGIDAIRE has a cooling capacity of 8000 BTU that can cool rooms of up to 350 square feet. This product also comes with a remote control that lets you adjust its temperature and fan speeds conveniently. It features 3 fan speed and 4-way directional control, which allows you to find the best temperature and airflow based on your preferences in a few clicks. The team would also like to highlight that it is installed with an easy-to-clean washable mesh filter, eliminating the need to buy replacements repeatedly. The In the Home team highly recommends the FRIGIDAIRE air conditioner for homes with sliding windows. It is easy and convenient to install, and we loved how good it looks with its unique design. While it's not integrated with smart home features, it is user-friendly and it comes with straightforward functions, making this an excellent product of choice for the non-tech savvies. Apart from that, it's more affordable than its major competitors, and the team appreciates it for its practicality. For our fifth and last recommendation, we have the Midea U-Inverter Window Air Conditioner 8000 BTU. This air conditioning unit features a U-shaped design that allows you to open your windows whenever you want to. With noise levels of about 42 A-weighted decibels, this unit is one of the quietest air conditioners in the market, making it excellent for bedrooms and home offices. It also comes with a remote control. Additionally, it's Wi-Fi enabled and Alexa and Google Assistant compatible, which allows you to control, monitor, and manage its setting through voice commands or its Midea Air app. Available in 3 versions with varying cooling capacities, its 8000 BTU model can produce long-distance airflow of up to 20 feet, and you can use it for either single or double-hung windows. As the first AC unit to receive the most efficient certification from Energy Star, this product can save up to 35% of energy consumption, which helps you save more money. Apart from that, the U-shaped design of this air conditioning unit allows you to open your windows freely when the AC is not in use. For all these, the In the Home team recommends the Midea U-Inverter air conditioner if you often enjoy the cool breeze of fresh air. And there you have it, folks, the In the Home team's breakdown of how air conditioners work. If you have any insights you would like to share with the team, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you in the home again soon.